banjo. For reference, these breather lines that are about to go on the engine have not been replaced. They look like aids, they're going to get replaced, but at the moment it's more important that we actually get the engine running, for the record. Obviously repairing fire damage wasn't enough, so we thought we'd improve stuff as well, just because we've got so much time. What we had done, because John very kindly did an actual alignment, which I haven't had for about 4 years, and got rid of the more lifestyler rear camber that I was actually running, so we're now kind of neutral camber. That meant reducing my track width by 20mm each side, which I wasn't happy about because it spoiled the ridiculously flush fitment. But it means that we get more drive when we're on power coming out of a corner. Trouble is, I found on initiation, the angle was coming around a bit quicker, so what I wanted to do is get back to the same track width but maintain neutral camber. So, gone back to running some spacers, but we've gone with the GK Tech ones because you can actually, like, these are the modular ones, so you can build them up to whatever size that you need. Perfect for lifestyle fitment. But just gone around, put these on, nice extended wheel nuts, studs, and basically if you're going to cross thread these, you're going to be trying really very hard. And like with most things, with all this gay lipstick all over the car, we've got nice bright orange torque seal, so it's easy to check when we're doing tyre changes to make sure that the spacers aren't coming loose. All looks quite nice. So we're about to throw the master switch and just give a quick check over to make sure that none of the electrics stop smoking or melting or causing another fire or something crap. Then after that we're going to flush the fuel lines, run the pumps up, pressurise all the lines, make sure nothing leaks, and then we should be good to fire. Boom boom. There's a short interlude at the moment because one of the original fittings, which was not even near the fire, seems to have started leaking now. So says I was right for not replacing every single fitting on the car. Well, the finishing to today's video is, it happened. They were mad skids. Fucking awesome. Thank you very much, John. And Mel, who's just gone home because Mel's basically had to put up with us for the past fortnight and cook for us, and yeah. Thank you everyone. You're a twat, don't do that again.